It is work in progress. It is work in progress. It is important that football in India develops. The I-League is the official Indian league, of course. The Indian Super League has had some considerable success as well. But it's important that this is going to progress. There are talks, there are discussions, and I'm sure in a country which is famous for taking compromises when it is necessary, some good compromises will be found between the promotion of football, but also the protection, of course, of legacy clubs, historic clubs. We need to balance, and the All India Football Federation will have to balance all the interests and then take the right decisions. Whatever FIFA can contribute and help, of course, will be there. But I have full trust in President Patel.
In our own presentation to FIFA, spelled out all the issues, both pros and cons, and the difficulties, and the issues which need to be addressed before any finality on this can be taken. So, there has been a lot of talk that it's happening tomorrow, it's happening in a particular way, somebody's affected, somebody's not. In fact, I did on my own suo moto raise this issue that legacy clubs in India have a great history, they have a great contribution to Indian football. So we should not be doing something which hurts their interests also. I think that is what exactly we spelled it out. And therefore, as the President rightly said, it is work in progress. We should not be coming to conclusions, and nobody needs to feel threatened at this stage about his club's existence or the future roadmap for Indian football. We are committed to taking everybody along, and we will do it, even if it's a little slowly, but we will do it surely.